Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is September the 22nd, 2021. This is our Bitcoin price prediction. Bitcoin price crashes amid the Evergrande sell-off. Is Bitcoin in the bear market? Let's talk about that today. We're going to talk about that today on this particular video for Bitcoin. You guys can see from our price chart, we anticipated the price in Bitcoin to go up, and you guys can see the price went down. We need to talk about, can the price in Bitcoin continue to drop? Because if so, when would be a good time for us to see the area to find support? When would be a good area for us to see the market begin to be stable and elevated to resume prices up higher later on throughout 2021, maybe even 2022? Let's try to figure that out based by looking off the price chart. That's all we need. We only need to look at the prices and the volume to make a determination as to where the market is trying to go so that we can be in position and win. So if you guys want to join me, welcome to the team. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. If you guys want to learn more, again, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. I want to make sure that you understand that you don't have to be complicated. Things don't have to be complex. You don't have to spend 15, 100, umpteen hours just to figure out where price is going to go for these cryptocurrencies. So let's talk about this real quick, because you guys can see that we did a price prediction into the market in Bitcoin right there on September the 1st, right? But then take a look at the market in Bitcoin. The price went down. The price has been going down. We only had a small opportunity for us to at least eat off a little bit of profitability into the market in Bitcoin, right there around $53,000, which is around 6.44% profitability. Now, if you didn't grab that within that amount of time, what, 3 days, 4 days of trading, we're down definitely into the market in Bitcoin. If we were to get out right now, we're down 15% right now. So we might need to get rid of this, because I don't see any indication that the market is going to come back up into Bitcoin, but rather we're seeing the market making lower highs. We need to identify that right now from the rip and say, okay, cool, let's take this 14.94% hit and then expect the price to continue to go lower, right? Because if we were still seeing strength on the chart, we would have kept this prediction on the chart and said, all right, cool, yeah, the market currently is going down in Bitcoin, but right now we just sit back and kick back because we still anticipate the price in Bitcoin to eventually go back up, right? Not seeing that yet. So let's go ahead and get rid of this, and let's try to identify where the price in Bitcoin is going to go now, okay? Because you guys can see from the chart, we have two lines on our chart, and we was trying to bring the price in Bitcoin to see it trade right in between those two lines. And so far, that hasn't been the case. So far, the market in Bitcoin has broken into that trading channel, but we came right back out of it not long after. So we got to identify that and say, okay, cool, maybe the market in Bitcoin is not as strong as what many people try to tell it to be. Maybe it's not, because if the market in Bitcoin truly was strong, we would have seen the market in Bitcoin definitely try to reach up higher towards 55,000, or even up here to our restriction line around $57,500. But that wasn't the case. So, all right, cool, we got the trap. He's trying to tell us some things then. Obviously, he's not trying to increase the price in Bitcoin way above 52,500. Not right now, he's not. So let's do this then. Let's readjust the price. Let's readjust the price chart. So let's look at this, because we need to make a determination to see if our Bitcoin price is still in an upward trend for the most part, right? We still need to identify that and take a look at the price chart. Look at that ascending line. Yeah, the market in Bitcoin is still in an upward move. Yeah, we're still anticipating to see the price in Bitcoin go higher in the long term, right? If you guys been watching my videos, I may sound like a broken record, but as long as price in Bitcoin maintains itself above this ascending line, we will always go up into perpetuity and forever, right? So we need to identify this area now then, okay? Because this is the area that we can see the price in Bitcoin continue to fall, but it wouldn't cause any worry for the long-term holder, because the market is still anticipated to go up as long as price stays above that line. So we can still see the price in Bitcoin drop about, let's see, another 15% to come in and grab and hold on this ascending line, and we'll still anticipate the market to go up in the long term, right? So that 15% will still cause a lot of news articles to come out. It's going to cause a lot of videos to be had and uploaded to YouTube about why is Bitcoin price dropping, when all in all, we can already dictate and kind of say, yeah, it can happen. Another 15%. Everyone else is going to be doing these emergency broadcasts, going live, trying to tell you what's going on with Bitcoin's price, when I'm already telling you that, yeah, we can see the price drop 15%, but it won't be no cause of concern because the price is still trending and trading well above that ascending line, right? So look at this. This is a 3-day time frame into the market in Bitcoin, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to continue to hold this ascending line, right? We definitely need to track Bitcoin's price alongside this trend. Now, the last 3-day price bar, okay, is one reason why we need to anticipate the price of Bitcoin to continue to go down. This last 3-day price bar, in combination with this 3-day price bar here from September the 7th, tells us that the overall market in Bitcoin may not be that strong. I mean, I know a lot of people has been pumping Bitcoin, has been telling us that we hit 48,000, 49,000. Bitcoin has now traded above $50,000. Like that was some major news event. And now we're trading all the way back down to 42,000. The market is the true decider as to where price is going to go. And right now, the last completed 3-day price bar tells us that the market in Bitcoin may not be as strong as what many people may want it to be. Yeah. Look at the price in Bitcoin on 5-day, right? This is Bitcoin's price on the 5-day time frame. We have 14 hours left. And currently, I mean, there's still people who see this as an opportunity in Bitcoin, right? Let's not be ignorant or oblivious to not think that. When Bitcoin price drops 5, 6, 7%, you see 1,500,000 tweets come out saying that people buying this dip, right? But as you guys can see, just like during this 5-day time frame, people bought the dip as well, and price of Bitcoin continues to dip. And then you saw tweets during this 5-day time frame, people telling you already that they bought the dip. The question is, are we done dipping, right? Nobody's answering that question because currently the price in Bitcoin is still weak based off what's been going on the last 20 days. Let's look at the price in Bitcoin from last week. If we're not able to, in the next 4 days and 14 hours right here, if we're not able to close back up here towards the high of the bar, I'm here to tell you this already, that the anticipation of Bitcoin will be for it to continue to trade sideways, right? To continue to do this with price going down right there. Okay. Keep that in mind. Because this is the monthly time frame in Bitcoin right here. We got 8 days and 14 hours left. Definitely watch the monthly price bar for Bitcoin, because how we conclude for the month of September would definitely tell us where we're going to go in October. Right? So in the next 8 days and 14 hours, if the price of Bitcoin closes down here towards $40,000, yeah, we need to expect the price to continue to go lower. Okay. So let's do it. And look at the chart real quick in Bitcoin on the 7-hour time frame. You guys can see that, yeah, Bitcoin's price currently is trying to make a resumption back up to higher prices. We bounced off $40,000. Obviously, a lot of people felt that $40,000 was a very good entry price to come in and purchase the market in Bitcoin. That's cool, right? Nothing wrong with that. The market has to bounce. You guys can see that we shoot up higher in price, right? We shoot up higher, come down, shoot up higher, come down, shoot up higher. That's the current process. So right now we need to see the price in Bitcoin break $45,500 before we can actually see the market momentum of Bitcoin's price going down to one of it trying to elevate, trade sideways, and go up. $45,000 is that key point. It might even be up here towards 46,000, right? So we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in Bitcoin. Okay. Definitely 45,000 is the price that we need to pay attention to in Bitcoin, because if we're not able to break above that, we understand that the market in Bitcoin is still harnessing to us some weakness. Now I'm going to bring it up here to a little bit above $46,000, which is about 9.25% in Bitcoin. And we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in Bitcoin. All right, that's it. Now, what I'm looking forward to is for this price in Bitcoin to come around this vicinity of this ascending line. Okay. So So the question is, do you see any areas of support on the chart towards this ascending line? I see one here around $37,400 or $37,500. We need to be prepared to see the market grab support there in Bitcoin. Okay, $37,500, and then the next level will be 36. So about $500 increments for us to try to determine where the market's going to hold that support in Bitcoin. Okay, so let me take this back over to the daily so we can see it. So we said I will give it a nice clean $37,000 in Bitcoin. That would be the first area. Okay, 37,500. You guys can see it right here. As to where we're going to eye the market in Bitcoin coming to, 37,500, and then towards this ascending line. That would be the next area. Now that's about 16% right there. Okay, and we're going to continue to expect that to go on as long as Bitcoin price doesn't break above this $47,150 price level. All right, so that's it. Currently, the price of Bitcoin is in a downtrend, which, I mean, we got to expect these things. I don't understand why so many individuals become emotional when they see the price come down, right? If you've been in any particular market, you guys got to understand the fluctuations that occur in price. You will have bouts to where the market explodes, and then you will have bouts where the market comes down, right? You have to prepare yourself to go through those type of events so that you won't become some type of emotional roller coaster to where the market goes up, you feel good. Market goes down, you feeling anxious and nervous and fearful. You got to control the emotions and understand that this is just the gist of the business, right? So this is what I'm seeing right now in Bitcoin. Again, let me know, what do you all see? Drop me your price prediction into the market in Bitcoin for the next 3 weeks. In the next 3 weeks, I mean, where do you see the price going? Do you think that Bitcoin's price is going to come down and test this ascending line? Or do you think we're going to continue to go up in price? Right now, we're just taking a momentary break, trade sideways for a little bit, and then the resumption to higher prices will continue. Let me know. All right, and that's it. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, I'll see you on the next video.